In this video, demonstrate 4 methods to hard reset your OnePlus device. Software issues. Data wipe for selling or giving away. Forgot password. Troubleshooting unresolved issues. Let's begin. Part 1. How to hard reset OnePlus professionally. Choosing the right method or tool for hard resetting your phone is crucial. Mobican Eraser for Android ensures a secure reset, ideal for selling old phones or protecting your data. Let's explore how to use it effectively. How to use. Step 1. Download and install Mobican Eraser for Android on your computer. Run the program and connect your OnePlus phone to the PC using a USB cable. Enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Select when the program detects your phone. Click the Erase button. Choose your desired security level and confirm by typing delete in the provided field. Step 3. Delete. Click Erase to start deleting all data from your OnePlus phone. Wait patiently for the process to complete. Step 4. Reset. Perform a factory reset on your OnePlus phone to remove all system data and settings. Follow the prompts, and once the reset is complete, click Continue to permanently erase all device data. Part 2. How to factory reset a OnePlus phone from settings. Open Settings, System Reset Options on your OnePlus. Select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Enter PIN, pattern, or password if asked. Tap Erase All Data to reset. Part 3. How to reset a OnePlus smartphone via recovery mode. Power off your device. Hold volume down plus power until the OnePlus logo and pattern dot screen appear. Select Forgot Password. Confirm the data loss warning by selecting OK. Part 4. How to wipe data OnePlus remotely by Find My Device. Go to Google Find My Device site. Sign in with linked Google account. View location if connected. Click Erase Device in sidebar. Confirm action. Read data loss warning. Click Erase Device to proceed. Google sends command to phone.